All right, so you guys remember me getting a keychain and saying waiting on the car. Now, I thought, thank you, Mr. Rachel. I thought that keychain was going to be going on a 2020 GT, white GT. But look what it's going on. Da, da, da. It's going on a 2000 V6 manual that I just picked up for a song. So, MustangMedic guys, you're going to get to see him work on parts on a Mustang again because Lord knows this thing needs help. But it's got it's got cracked windshield, it's got wobbly brakes, it's got an exhaust leak, and I love it. I love it. Huh? That antenna's gone. We don't use the antenna because we're always Bluetooth. So no, we're taking the antenna off. Anyway, MustangMedic has a Mustang again, and it's mine. It's not what I expected, but it's a Mustang, and it's mine, and it's a manual, and Rachel's going to officially put the keys on the keychain now. The Fiat!
The one door on each side.
Two doors.
Like, slip through.
Did I lose the keys already? Check inside the dash. I think they're inside there. I think I lost the keys. It's got one key. It's got no locks. You have to do it manually, which I just think is just funny to me. All this is funny. But God is good all the time. What's that song? What's that song in Rolling Stones? You don't always get what you want, but you get what you need. Woohoo!
No idea what that song is.
You don't know what the Rolling Stones songs is?
Never heard that song.
Girl, I gotta.
Sorry, I am young.
I gotta culture you. I'll culture you later. All right, we lost the keys.
I'm pretty cultured.
Cool.
Otherwise,
say goodbye.
that song.
You never know how it's going to happen, but it happens. And I've got a 2000 Mustang with a V6 manual, and I don't have my 4GT, and I'm happy about it. I got a car, and I got a Mustang, guys. Who wants to make her cool? You just never know, do you?